find families all along this course. Some will utilize the park, some will utilize the trees and such like, and have their family get-togethers. Alright, we're entering the parish of St. Joseph. And we're entering the parish of St. Joseph. One of our rural parishes. You will find some agricultural emphasis on agriculture. We put on the tomatoes and plantains and that type of crop. In 1984, I can't remember, there was a film shot here in Barbados. You right where that green and white building is there. And my son was a part of the filming crew. Wow. Going back to England, I think it was called back to England. He was just a young boy there. This is another area where the rich and the famous would have their holiday homes near the beach here, and they would come into the island when it is cold in their country or when they need to retreat to Barbados, and they would stay here and then move back to the island. So a lot of these homes you're seeing here are owned by either the rich businessmen in the island or expatriates who use them as holiday getaways. And there are interspersed between all the areas you have here. Coming up on our right is the Andromeda Gardens.